going on, guys? Welcome back. It's been a minute since I've done a video. So this video I'm just gonna go over some of the first hand look at the damage that happened at Sweet 16 with Nigel's car. In the description I'll go ahead and link his videos. He has more in-depth videos of pulling the motor apart, you know, going through all the damage and what happened with the car. But sorry for I haven't been uploading. You know, life happens. I had surgery, still in the recovery phase of having surgery. Can't really do anything right now, so that's why I haven't been uploading videos of my cars or going to the shop. Also, the shop's a 6-hour round trip for me, and I'm not really going to drive 6 hours just to go film some videos that Nigel also films and basically double post stuff. So once the racing starts again and I'm over my recovery, I'll start posting regularly again. But until then, thanks for holding in there. But check out this video. Hope you guys like it. Thank you.
Thank you. How was the sick week?
109.
Damn. It's old.
$26.40, 45. $26.45. Well, this isn't good. Well, she's
See a rod. Cause them before fucking got hot. Where's that? What? Fell off. It's nothing. It's that burning motherfucker down right there.
packed up and headed home because we got a hole in the motor. Thanks for watching. Sorry, blew it up.